Hey guys, it's Naya, and today this might not be like such a special video, but I know that other people want to know what's. If you guys don't know, I do band. We had band practice, and it's Friday, and if you're probably watching this Saturday or Monday. For me right now, it's Friday, and if you guys don't know, I play in band. I know people don't know, they might say what's in a case, and it's more than just, well, I play trumpet, so it's more than just the trumpet. So now let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to open it up. I'm going to set the camera in a different angle. Bear back. Face it the way that you open it, not like the one that it's going to fall. So I open it like this. Batch is supposed to be up, because if that, my trumpet's just gonna fall. So then they have these clips you clip up, and this, just do that. I'm gonna be just doing that. Now it's open. Okay, so now I have my trumpet open. So this is when you open it. This is how it looks. Mine's is really free. This is a really new one, and no one used this one, which I really like. So I'm the first one who used it. So now I'm going to show you what's inside. Now let's get started. So the first thing you're going to see is the actual trumpet, itself. So this is how it looks like. Let me just pick it up. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to hold it. So be like this. Don't blow on this because it doesn't have the mouthpiece, which I'm going to show you in a second. So it's this way. 1, 2, 3. And then they have this. Then they have this piece. Put your thumb in there. Put your other thumb here. And then you put this. And then put your pinky in there. Okay. So that's how you hold a trumpet. Then the mouthpiece. So you're supposed to put the mouthpiece comes in a box. This is the genuine one. And this, people might wonder, what's this hole? It's to put your mouthpiece inside. So if you don't know what a mouthpiece is, the trumpet doesn't have a thing to blow on. You just don't blow on it. The mouthpiece, put it. Okay, I'm going to show you. It's really simple to put the mouthpiece on. You just slowly, just don't put it like that, because that could make scars and scratches, and it could also get the mouthpiece stuck. So don't ever push it in really hard. So don't do that. So box, mouthpiece, and then, well, on mine they have this. It's really, it says trumpet. This is trumpet, and this says Vincent Batch. And then, you guys didn't notice this cute little name. tag. It says 9 penya. But anyways, then next to this, which you could just, it's in there, is a paper towel, because I like cleaning my trumpet because there's a lot of fingerprints, so I keep that next to this. The next thing is valve oil. Guys, if you don't know what valve oil is, be very careful. Be very careful. Valve oil, I'm guessing, is to keep these like greasy. These. I fixed it. So, I think it's to put, I think the valve oil is to grease these. So, this is how you open it. You put finger on it and then twist this. Then do that and let go. And then check. If you're gonna check, stay away from the trumpet and do that. That's what I do. And then they have these packets. Guys, you could also, I'm not kidding, you could use these for crunchy slime. Yeah. And the grease, I'm going to show you what this grease looks like. This is really brand new. This grease is brand new. Okay, so this is called the slide grease. Make sure you get the valve oil, the mouthpiece, and the slide grease. That's especially the slide grease, so it could work more. Then this slides. So this slides, and you're gonna need to put this where it slides, and then people mostly forget over here, and it slides a little bit. It slides just a little bit, and if it like comes off, you could just easily get it in. And then you could also put it, there's 4, so 1, 2, 3, and then, so you put it here, and here, put the grease in there. So 1, 2, 3, and then here, 4, 4, 4. So I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna put my trumpet here. I'm gonna show you how to everything set up. I suggest to bring a paper because I had lip gloss on, and I didn't want to put a bunch of lip gloss on the mouthpiece. So I wanted to break this and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So all my stuff, all my things it's outside here. Let's see, like my little setup. Yes, I have a backpack there that I have to move. So I'm going to go move that because it's kind of getting in the way for my trumpet. I was thinking of doing that, but I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I got everything set up. Ugh. It's gonna be like this. Then you're gonna open it up. It's gonna be like this. Down for a second. First, I'm gonna put the trumpet itself. So oh my god. I'm gonna set my camera up for a second. Okay, so I couldn't set it up. I couldn't find anywhere to set it up. So let's do this. I put it like this. So these notes, this side, depends which way your trumpet is. I like this soft leather because it protects the trumpet. So and then the mouthpiece is going to go in the hole on your right side or your left, depends where it is. So right now it's going to look like this. The mouthpiece is over there. Do you see? Oh my gosh. Ignore that. Oh my gosh, I have to fix that later, so ignore that. But then I'm just gonna leave these because I'm gonna rent it. This is rented for the school year, so I'm gonna put that in here. So I'm gonna put that there, and then I'm gonna put this Vincent trumpet. Sorry for the background noises. Put that in there because they have a pocket in there, and then that's where I put my thing. And then I think I put these two in this pocket. Put these all the way on the side for like, and then I put the valve oil because I'm not going to be using the valve oil as much. Then the slide grease. This lasts about 3 years because you're not supposed to use, I don't think you're supposed to use this. You're supposed to use a tiny bit, so put that all the way on the edge. And then I'm going to put the mouthpiece box over the valve oil. And then I'm going to close it up. I lowered it down a little bit. Close it. And then just lock it up. Like, okay. If your trumpet doesn't close, that's impossible because if your trumpet never closes, then it's because something's in the way. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below what instrument do you play or what instrument you want to play. So remember, you're more than one kind.